How to fix Apple ID login error, verification failed. So if the verification to log into your Apple ID has failed for any sort of reason, right? So there are a couple of things that you can do. First is if you're going to account.apple.com and you're trying to sign in from here. If the verification is failing, you must make sure first of all your email address and phone number is correct. So the credentials that you provide will be very important in this case. And then comes your password. Make sure that your password is also correct. In case you forgot your password, you can click the forgot password button right here to reset using your email address. And to verify it, you need to make sure you have got access to your email address, whether it is Gmail or any other form of email that you provided. You need to make sure that you have access to that particular email address, and same goes for the password as well, and for the phone number as well. You need to have access to your phone number. If none of these are working, you can choose to sign in with passkey also. You can simply use your phone or tablet, scan this particular QR code to log into your account. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and to subscribe for more tips and tutorials